Welcome back to the Moralis channel. My name is Ash. Most dapp developers like yourself are inherently trying to solve technical problems first, which we're great at, but we're neglecting the visual communication, the user experience, with substantial value lost. And as Web3 has been moving so fast, it's not been pretty. The core value propositions of blockchain technology, such as transparency, mean nothing to a non-technical person trying to use the dapp that you're building if they themselves have no easy way to verify what's presented to them. Every user deserves an intuitive experience, and it's how your dapp is going to beat the competition and the only way we're all going to reach the masses at scale. Web3's brought with it a whole new set of challenges that require distinct principles of visual communication and design, which historically a lot of people haven't maybe put enough thought into or just taken for granted. To help you understand what that means for the dapp that you might be building right now and how it might be losing value, I've shared a link in the description of this video below to a cheat sheet of the standards that you're going to need to checklist off when you're creating your next dapp or whatever you're building now. That will mean that any gaps in your user experience or visual communication should be much easier solved. The goal is to have the design of your app, the user experience, the interface, completely embody the core principles of what Web3 means: transparency, verifiability, privacy, permanence, and permissionlessness of transaction of digital value. All these things should be embodied front to back in whatever you're building. Beyond these design principles just being written down, they're actually in the wild already for you to mess around with in the Moralis Ethereum boilerplate demoed inside each of the components. So go and fork it, clone the code, also included in a link below. Because Moralis is all about saving you time with the technical hurdles that then allows you to allocate more time, more resource to the other things, such as making your app more usable, more beautiful, and something that your users will love way more than the competition. So that's what we're trying to get to here. And I'd love to hear from you what your biggest gripe in Web3's usability is. Beyond just gas fees, how are we going to build dapps that are better, more intuitive for new users? I think that's such a massive thing that we need to focus more energy on, and hopefully Moralis, these standards are going to help you with that. So join me in the forum, join me in the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy biddling.